Hello and welcome to Agency Handy. This is a quick tour of how you can get started with the platform. So let's take a look. Once you create your workspace, you will be taken to the dashboard, and here you can see a lot of important statistics of your agency, like your revenue, the number of clients you have, the number of orders, and you can compare it with the last 30 days in each case. You can also see the overview of your revenue, the recent open tickets, and the recent orders. So let's check out everything one by one. Let's start with services. Now here you can create services for your clients so they can place orders right from your dashboard. For example, I created a service here called content marketing. So when I click on learn more, I'll be able to see the details of that order. In order to create an order, click on create service. Now enter all your service details and then click on save. Next, let's take a look at clients. Here you can add all your clients by simply clicking on create client, enter all their details and pressing save. You can also import all your clients by importing a CSV file, by uploading it and then placing it here. Next, let's take a look at tickets. In tickets, you can add tickets based on the client and then giving their order ID, write the subject, the given assignee. The assignee has to be one of your team members, of course, and then write the description, create the status, and then press save. Next, let's go to orders. In orders, you can see the pending orders or completed orders right from your dashboard. In order to create an order, click on create order, insert your client's name, add the service, and the other important details. Next, let's take a look at quotations. In quotations, here you can create a quotation by clicking on add quotation and then filling up all these details. You can see the quotations you receive in this tab. Now we go to team members. Here you can see all your team members and the role they are placed in. In order to add a team member, click on create team, enter their email, give them a role. Now if you want to see which role has how much permission, simply go to role permission, and here you can see all the permissions of that role. Let's take a look at invoices. Now these are the invoices that you will send to your clients, the previous ones, current ones, and even create future ones by clicking on add invoice. So let's check out integrations. You can integrate Stripe to Agency Handy to receive payments directly from your clients through Stripe. You can also check out the files of your previous projects. It will be all here inside the dashboard. Let's check this one out. And here I can see the files that were there with that project. And lastly, let's take a look at settings. In settings, you can update your profile, change your password, change your profile picture, and some other stuff like subscription. You can choose your plan. You can also check out custom domain where you can add your own domain. You can also change the logo and colors of your agency. If you want to translate your dashboard, you click on here and it will be automatically translated. Currently, we only support one language. We'll be adding more in the future. You can check out the notifications. You can also check out the settings directly from this pop-up. So this is a quick overview of how Agency Handy works. If you have more questions, you can let me know in the comments below, or you can contact our support team. Thank you for using Agency Handy.